it sufficient if I honor my tags? I was asking myself as I explained.